The ISSA Dacosta Cup competition kicks off on Friday as part of a doubleheader with 2019 champions Clarendon College taking on parish neighbors Edwin Allen at 1 p.m. at Jamaica College. And even as the Lenny Hyde coached CC team hunt a third consecutive crown, there's more caution than bravado. Jerome Foster explains.
You would expect a level of swagger from a 9-time champion and the holders of the Dacosta Cup crown heading into the competition, but not so for Clarendon College. The Chapelton-based school start their campaign in less than 24 hours, and if there's anything unique about the coronavirus pandemic, it is its unpredictability. With this, Coach Lenny Hyde says there are no favourites at this stage.
Well, no advantage at all. Our pre-season is not up to par. I just said the 2 year out without playing in football, it's been tough for the players. But the greatest thing, we have a lot of enthusiasm in the camp, seeing that the league is back up again, and is that what we are happy for, and the players are looking forward to the season.
The 2-year break has seen an overhaul of the squad, leaving only 3 members from the winning 2019 team.
A good thing, we did well in the under-16 tournament. I think we went to the final and lost. So we have most of those players, plus with the senior players. So I think we have a good squad. We can challenge for the title again. So we are looking forward to that.
Despite the quiet optimism, a shortened season gives Hyde the right remedy to get his players going.
We just know, so we have to put our best foot forward. We can't wait now. So as you're out of the gate, we have to out of the gate flying, So it's a different focus now, and it's a different way to motivate them now. We have to get them on their P's and Q's as the whistle blow. So I think it's going to be an exciting season, and we're looking forward. We just want them to enjoy some football and get them going again,
The second game of Friday's doubleheader sees Manning Cup holders Jamaica College entertaining Calabar. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.